Nice job there from John Melby and a photo finish.
And he just called one more pass.
Warning air here. Yeah, perfect look there from John Melby. All right. Now we're going to see his final photo pass. We have our final approach.
Yeah, I think it's going to be final. Well, let's see.
Final approach or maybe one left.
Oh, no, he's done.
Right there, John.
Oh, boy. Oh, no.
Look at him go. And as he gets going, Kirby always has to be part of the party. So Kirby joins in and starts spiraling around Mike as he's flying. So as Mike comes down the runway, it's really interesting. Our team spends so much time together. We have so much trust that we trust Kirby. Kirby's in complete control up there. Yeah, with 1,000 skydivers.
Gee, that's awesome.
So as Mike comes in here, guys, everybody, he can hear you. Give a nice cheer as he comes swooping in for a landing. Yeah, Mike! Woo!
History. This is Redbull is not his only work, is it?
Aaron spends a lot of his time in the motion picture industry, flying for movies, commercials, TV shows. What he's trying to show you today is this BO-105. It's got this rigid rotor head system, a formation hammerhead. I don't know if you've ever seen that before.
Holy cow, I have not. Woo! I love this stuff. Now, he's doing things with a helicopter now that I don't believe more than about 3 or 4 people in the world are able to do.
Pay close attention here. He's upside down.
He is. Helicopters aren't made to do that. Igor Sikorsky, the father of the modern helicopter, really would be amazed if they saw this taking place.
I like to think he'd be proud of the things that he invented and what they're possible, you know, what they're capable of. Nobody knew at the time.
It ain't over yet, is it?
No. As you can
Roll rate of over 400 some degrees, 450 degrees per second. You'll see it right there. That's a lot.
It's still not figured out. I've been for a ride with him. I can't figure out how he knows when to stop rotating, but he comes out perfect every time.
Practice, my friend, practice. It's like how do you get to Carnegie Hall? Practice. In this case, he has shown the world what a talented guy he is, and yet he's got an incredible airline career, and he kind of set a record.
He was winning world championships in aerobatics and then at the Redbull air races. I would say for a guy like Kirby, flying isn't just a job, it's his life.
Oh yeah, it's well, when you live in the Flying Crown Ranch, right?
Yeah, so Kirby has a runway in his backyard. He's able to take off, do aerobatics, practice.
That's pretty cool. The Redbull H540 and the Redbull Air Force. You see a teeny loop right there.
It's just inside itself, right?
Yeah, very small inside loop. Aviation runs in
Kirby Chambliss in the X540. I want to thank you for having us out here, Miramar. What a great show. We look forward to coming.
in the sky, and it happened many years ago, and those 2 words, Ocho Comando, are given stuff.
Just 4 years before this airplane was built.
That's right. That's right. The Miami Air Races, 1936. California Aeronautics is offering, listen to this, some recent scholarships to recent high school graduates, including. 580 engine accelerates his airplane to 200. Sports and air shows across North America since 1935. He's flown on 3 U.S. World Aerobatic teams and is a past U.S. National Aerobatic champion. Only a few individuals have enjoyed the success. Horsepower, 25,000 horsepower. Wow. It can outrun almost anything for a while.
Moves about as fast. Burrito left in the sun. That's how fast that thing can go. We'll watch it kick on up here, Rob Ryder, with the 75-foot long plane. There's Mikey G. Look at that. That extra 300, put it in perspective, what, about
330 horsepower, 330 SC, yes indeed.
Yeah, not a whole lot. Has the advantage of being an airplane and being able to fly fast. And we're going to watch as Michael Goulian squares off again with Hayden Proffitt Jr. This is going to be fun.
Hayden Proffitt's the grandson of Hayden Proffitt, who was a four-time NHRA and AHRA Type Fuel Dragster winner, and the nephew of Brad Proffitt. Brad did the rocket-powered.
He's going to sneak up on Hayden Proffitt Jr. No, he's not. He's going to square off with him. Look at this. I just love watching these two guys have a lot of fun out there. Well, what do you think, Rob? Who's going to win today? Hayden Proffitt Jr. or Mike?
But the acceleration on the Jet Streak 2, or Hot Streak 2 jet-powered 57 Chevy is phenomenal. I rode in that one years and years ago. Unbelievable. When I looked down at the floorboard, you know what they told me? They said, listen, make sure that...
Here you go.
2, 1. Uh-oh, the quick start. That start ahead. Hayden Proffitt started early, but still Michael Goulian way ahead. Oh, it's a tie. It's a tie, and look at this. Look at this. 306.2 miles an hour landing. And I believe from my vantage point, he must be on the ground. How about a nice round of applause for Staff Sergeant Ben Hall with the Golden Knights. Right hip comes out little leather ball, and then that pulls out the main canopies of the Golden Knights and the leapfrogs. The leapfrogs, you can see, one is a silver.
What does that mean, Rob Ryder? Canopy relative work.
Canopy relative work means that 2 or more jumpers will join up in the air.
You just tie each other together. Is that what you mean?
Kind of, yeah. As a matter of fact, in some instances, they actually do strap themselves together.
It's not a long-term relationship, is what you're saying. This, literally, only one string is in.
That's right. That makes some sense. All right, as Morgan...
Air Station Miramar. A huge thank you to our friends at Allegiance Clothing. They have a profound respect for the brave men and women of our military and the sacrifice, loyalty, and honor and service that they provide for our country every single day. Visit their booth for exclusive deals, discounts, and...
As we watch news at the world's largest aviation
plane like this, do these types.
Well, one of the other ones is one that actually was based on an event that happened here back in the 80s when they were filming Top Gun. A very, very well-known airshow performer by the name of Art Scholl lost his life while filming that movie right out here by San Clemente. And memory called the Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship.
A lot of crossfire.
Hey, Kent, a second, those of you down at the other end, let's see how you see it. On the left right now, he's getting very close. Let's listen to, see if he gets those wheels in the troughs up in front and he calls, lock him down. Let's listen. There. He might be there.
Oh, I think he's there.
He got it. Slow down. Congratulations, my friend.
I could be wrong, but that sounded a lot like Rob Holland at the truck, did it not?
Let's listen again to one of his favorite pieces of music.
remain technologically agile, and win against our peer adversaries. Course design continues. The course legacy of innovation and builds on the foundation cemented by generations of Marines. We are the nation's naval expeditionary force, ready to fight at any time or place at any time. Marines.
It's a demo of Marine Airlanders.
200, danger close. Egress, back to Bravo 8 in your block. Advise when ready, remarks and restrictions. Landing 31 ready, remarks and restrictions. Final attack heading, 232 through 260.
engines inside and out, on land, while deploying them from ship to shore.
I brought my back.
It was made in Columbus, Ohio. The Westinghouse engines, the J34s, though, didn't have afterburners. However, this one has an afterburner on each engine. Now, it's real easy if you want to do the four basic principles of operating a jet engine. You suck the air in with a fan. You have a bunch of more fan blades that squeeze the air, so you suck it in, you squeeze it, you take that compressed air, put it in a combustion chamber with an igniter and fuel,
you burn it.
And you burn it, and then the gases go out the back.
Okay,
so you suck the air in,
and you squeeze it.
You squeeze it, you blow it up. What?
Yeah, going through those burritos.
That fast.
Yeah.
And brake release. Oh my gosh, he's really spooling it up.
Look at it now.
Oh boy, he's off. Okay, there's 100, 110, 120, 30, 47, 225, 275, 310, 315, oh golly, at 319 miles an hour.
Yeah, all the way down the track, 319. Maneuvers to be expected from this guy. That means a lot of tumbling, a lot of flipping around and flopping around, and Rob Holland does it all with such precision. Aerobatic guys comes, believe it or not. It starts now with this punishing pull, and what does he have in store for us?
More of the most creative flying of anybody on the face of the earth. Point rolls on the upline. Now he goes into a torque roll where the engine turns one way and he backs it up. He'll stop. He'll let the nose come now through the horizon and point it back down and go into a series of spin, a knife edge spin, a flat spin, and an inverted flat spin, and then watch for the quick recovery. That's a triple spin, 3 different kinds of spin in 3 turns.
That is insane. Doesn't like Rob Holland.
Among other honors that he has received, he is one of the newest honorary Blue Angels made, and just with Michael Goulian on Thursday of this week, did a photo mission with the entire Blue Angels. Will win, but Whirlwind Propellers helps him, and Lycon Engine helps him, but it is his skill that allows him to do a backflip and turn it into a helicopter.
And let's watch him on the hover here, the Rob Holland hover. The stopwatch is running.
It is.
Look at this, just parks it there.
There's 5. There's 10 seconds.
He's just standing it there. This is showing off now, Rob.
There's 15 seconds.
I mean, come on. Wow, held it for a full 15 seconds. Airplanes are like sharks. They have to be moving. Rob Holland, he keeps it moving.
Solutions. Sling pilot.
Richardson, Texas, is responsible for the men, women, and equipment that keep our aircraft flying. From Angel number 4, the slot pilot will be positioned outward of Blue Angel number 2 on the right wing. From there, they'll initiate their takeoff roll, transition to the Diamond on liftoff, and commence the Diamond half squirrel cage on takeoff. As the Diamond clears the flight line, the 2 solo pilots will begin their takeoff maneuvers. In a dynamic display of the thrust produced by these General Electric engines, Lieutenant Commander Rickoff will roll Blue Angel number 5, 360 degrees immediately after liftoff with the landing gear still extended. Simultaneously, Lieutenant... 6 are rolling. Blue Angel number 5 will be... in the air-to-air combat arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the Section High Alpha Pass.